Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to delete your Notion account. To start the process, head to the upper left corner of your screen and click on your workspace name. From there, select the Settings option. Within the Account tab, click on your name and profile picture to access your specific account settings. Now, scroll down to the bottom of the page until you reach the Support section and click on the button labeled Delete My Account. As indicated, this will permanently remove your account and all associated workspace access. Click Delete to move forward, but remember that this action is irreversible. Your entire profile will be erased and you will be removed from any shared workspaces. To confirm your identity and the deletion, type your email address into the provided field. Once that is done, simply click on the button to permanently delete your account and workspace. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. I will see you in the next one.